Comes we take out the
light.
The lights, so we're gonna change the bulb, and this is the bulb.
Yep.
And this is how we do it. We don't have to go to the mechanic or the what do you call it now? Or the electrician, the technician to change the bulb. We try ourselves. You know what I mean?
Yep.
And that is it. One seeker, one code, one coil. Is it? That's a code, man.
And also, this is how you're going to put in the light. So, you just have to, step 1, unbox your light. We got this from the store. And, yeah, we can put it into this side.
So, here it is.
That'll get better angle. So I'll go on top. There it is. There it is. I know you can see, but it's in there. Ooh.
I think this is different. We're gonna try it now.
Now we put the
water getting there.
Water gone there? Oh.
Okay, now we're gonna try the light.
Step 2, try the light.
It's okay. I'm gonna turn it on. You watch and see. Tell me what do you think.
I'm holding the light. Right now I see nothing. Yep, I see nothing.
You don't see nothing?
Look, I see no light.
No light there. No light there. So let me try something now. Then you're gonna tell me.
Okay.
Did you see light here?
Yep, I see light.
No, the one that I installed.
Yep, definitely. Yep, the light is working. Yep. That light's working.
Okay. That is it. Now, I'm going to try something else. You're going to tell me if it's going to get brighter when I touch the brake, okay?
Okay. It got brighter. And that time all the lights were working. The one that's broken too. The light is work. No. The light is working. Yep, it's working. Yep.
Okay. That is it. Okay. Oh, hi, you know what? One more light in this one is also not working.
Down. Look at this. This one is working. That one's working. This one. Just the broken one, I told you. Yeah. This one I told you.
Okay, guys. That is it. Now, I'm going to turn it off.
You can see it blinking. You can see it. Look. Look right there. Blinking. And... oh, it turned off. The light turned off. This is the end of the video. Bye!